Welcome to the Pathfinder Basics Guide for 2nd edition. My name is Model 42 and today we are talking briefly about alignment and how it affects your character. There are two axes of alignment that you choose from while creating the personality of your character, and they act as your moral compass, though are not written in stone, and any character can do evil things because of a good intention. The GM is the force that makes decisions. If you are unsure how this will affect your alignment, and acting against your alignment multiple times will change it into the direction that fits better. Classes like the champion and cleric are highly dependent on their alignment, since it has to align with their deity of choice, or they might lose the powers granted by their faith until they repent. The two axes are good and evil, as well as law and chaos. Both have a neutral point in the middle. If you do not lean in either direction, aside from neutral, if your alignment is good, evil, lawful and or chaotic, your character will gain that as their trait, and it might affect abilities, spells and effects. Your character has a good alignment if they consider the happiness of others above their own and work selflessly to assist others, even those who aren't friends and family. They are also good if they value protecting others from harm, even if doing so puts the character in danger. Your character has an evil alignment if they are willing to victimize others for their own selfish gain, and even more so if they enjoy inflicting harm. If your character falls somewhere in the middle, they are likely neutral on this axis. Your character has a lawful alignment if they value consistency, stability, and predictability over flexibility. Lawful characters have a set system in life, whether it's meticulously planning day-to-day activities, carefully following a set of official or unofficial laws, or strictly adhering to a code of honor. On the other hand, if your character values flexibility, creativity, and spontaneity over consistency, they have a chaotic alignment, though this doesn't mean they make decisions by choosing randomly. Chaotic characters believe that lawful characters are too inflexible to judge each situation by its own merits or take advantage of opportunities, while lawful characters believe that chaotic characters are irresponsible and flighty. Many characters are in the middle, obeying the law or following a code of conduct in many situations, but bending the rules when the situation requires it. If your character is in the middle, they are neutral on this axis. Since they changed the alignment description by a lot from 1st edition, it is way easier to use this and not be influenced too much by being good or being evil, though in most cases your characters should tend to be more good than evil, since you are meant to be heroes in most adventure campaigns. You find the alignment on pages 28 and 29 in the core rulebook. Thank you so much for watching, and if you found this video to be helpful, please leave a like, subscribe for more content, or leave a comment what your opinion is of the alignment system, and if it should be enforced as strongly as in 1st edition and in Dungeons & Dragons, or you like the looser approach.